Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the most powerful Claude Fable 5 demos, how much it costs and exactly how to access it. Anthropic just launched Claude Fable 5 on June 9th and this is the most powerful model ever released to the public. Let's get straight into the demos. The first demo is Pokemon Fire Red. Claude Fable 5 played through the entire game using only raw screenshots, no maps, no helper tools, nothing extra. Just looking at the screen like a human. Previous Claude models could not even do this with extra tools helping them. Fable 5 did it with vision alone. This shows how advanced its visual understanding has become. Demo number 2. Next, Claude Fable 5 built a solar system simulation completely from scratch. It derived the orbital motion of every planet using physics equations, wrote all the code itself, and then used that simulation to accurately predict solar eclipses. Demo number 3. This one is for the engineers watching. Factorial is a factory building game where you collect resources, plan production lines, and build logistic systems. It's extremely complex, every single decision has chain reactions. Claude Fable 5 played it completely on its own. No human input, it collected resources, planned the factory, built the systems all autonomously. This demo shows the Fable 5 can handle long, complex multi-step tasks without losing track. Demo number 4. This one is honestly the most impressive one for me. Claude Fable 5 first built a browser-based CAD editor from scratch, including an AI copilot inside that editor. Then it used the same editor it just built to design a complete 3D printable model. Demo number 5. Fable 5 coded a fluid simulation where the motion is synchronized to music. But here is the crazy part. It also composed that music through code. It has never heard a song before in its life. It just generated a classical EDM remix using code, then perfectly synced the fluid animation to the beat. Demo number 6. One-shot game building. Now this is what the community went crazy about. You type one sentence describing a game idea and Fable 5 builds a fully playable browser game from scratch. People build Mario style games, Snake, roller coaster tycoon style games, all one-shotted in minutes. Now let's talk about how to access it and what it costs. To use Fable 5, you need at least Claude Pro. The free plan does not include it. Right now from June 9th to June 22nd, Fable 5 is included for free on Pro, Max, Team and Enterprise plans. But after June 22nd, it moves behind the usage credits, meaning you will need to pay extra on top of your subscription to keep using it. To access it, go to claude.ai, open the model picker at the top and select Fable 5. That's it. For developers using the API, and it costs about $10 per million input tokens and $50 per million output tokens. So 1 million tokens is roughly 750,000 words, about the length of 3 full novels. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.